Morning, guys. It's about 4:50 a.m. If you look around the garage here, it looks like a freaking battle zone. I'm tripping over stuff. There's stuff everywhere. So I think this morning I'm going to start off with a little bit of a cleanup. Got a bucket of brackets laying out and all kinds of stuff. Then after that, we're going to do a little unboxing to start the day. Alright guys, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. I got a few things to show you this morning, and then I'll show you what my plans are for today. Not sure what this one is. I think I got it on eBay. Oh, I think I know what it is. I'll open one of these and let you guys do some guesses as to what I'm going to do with them. So I got 3 sets of these, and there's 2 in each set. So I'll let you guys take some guesses and figure out what I'm going to do with them. Got 3 sets of them. There's 2 of those in each set. I'm sure you'll figure it out. So we'll set those aside, and then I got 2 more packages. Good morning, Blu-ray. Got another eBay package. I think I know what this is. Oh, styrofoam. This is the second thing I purchased from this guy on eBay, and he does a really good job. I believe his name is Austin, and his username on eBay is BeltFed. So what it is a the 24 volt trailer cord, not to be confused with the 12 volt trailer cord that I already have. I wanted the alternate trailer cord to have because it's the military version, and it was only 35 bucks. So that to me is a pretty good deal. I figured I'd just grab it, and then I have it sitting aside in case I should ever need it. Got one more. This one is from another LMTV owner. His name is Dave Anderson. He's got a variety inspired YouTube channel that I think you guys would like. The name of the YouTube channel is Hella Cool's Helipad. Dave's a good guy. Him and I watch each other's videos, and we go back and forth with comments. And I just so happened to pick out an Easter egg in one of his, yes, Blu-ray. I pick out an Easter egg in one of his videos, so he sent me something. And I'm kind of excited to see what it is. It looks like it's some sort of a word puzzle for me to figure out. And this is kind of got it. I see what he did. I think you guys will like this. I figured this would be appropriate when I'm pulling the trailer because we go so slow. There you go. Hey Dave, I really appreciate it. Thanks for sending that out. I'll include that in one of my upcoming videos. Okay, so for today, I got the Forester seats. These are out of an 04 Forester. They were 60 bucks. We actually love them. They're a little bit dirty, a little bit beat up, but they got character to them. The seat heaters in them are the originals, and they don't do so well with the controls that I have. So what I'm going to do, once again, a little bit of repurposing. I have a whole bunch of seat heater pads here from various kits that I've installed in vehicles over the years. They're brand new. I'm going to rip the old ones out, potentially, if I can get the seats apart, and reinstall those. And then paint the mounting pads flat black. So let's get started on that. For the paint on the base plates to dry. Did get both of the seats done, the heaters installed. Those were pretty simple seats to do heaters on. I'm going to get some wiring harnesses built that I need for inside the cab. So let's get started on that. I've never made one of these up before, and this is a Delphi connector. It's 24 volts AC for the air conditioner. I'm not going to film all the wiring of the cab, but I'll get some of it in. It's going to be a time-consuming process, so I'm going to get in the cab now and start making terminations and getting everything hooked back up. Okay, kicking butt today. I don't know what the deal is, but got all the wires and cables pulled in. I got the relays made up. They're ready to go. I just need to run power and the circuit they're going to. This is a 14-6. It's actually trailer cable. So there's 6 number 14 wires in here. These are going to be my 12 volt circuits. I'm not going to have very many of them, so I'll have extras. And then everything else that you see sitting here just needs to be plugged into the relays. And then ground's landed over there in the circuit breaker panel. So kicking butt. I have the remote start wired back in. I just need to start running power after I get I want to get the switch box made up first. That way it'll be a lot easier to diagnose once I get everything set up and running. Check this out. I made a bracket for the AC switch, and it'll sit right under the dash there using that riv nut that's in the dash. Perfect spot for it. Alright, I'm still making progress. I made a Ziggy bomb for a bunch of grounds. And yeah, lots of terminations. Just sometimes I have to stop and think things through, make sure I'm doing it right. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep moving forward. Well, getting closer to being done. I have a lot of that stuff tucked away and finished. I got the little AC control box mounted. Made a little aluminum bracket for it. Painted it. Looks pretty nice. Now I get to go over to the other side and start working on that side. Almost done. I still got to do the monitor and put some fuses in. I got the signal wire to the relay going, so that's done. Oh man, what a day. Got the majority of the dash put back together. I still got to get the rear view camera monitor put back up. Fuses and circuit box closed up. lower kick panel closed up. And then I got to get the seats back in here. So, not too much left, but I'm zonked for today, so I'm calling it quits. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.